I got my new seat brackets from Corbeau yesterday, so I'm going to attempt to install seats today. I did a quick check on one of the brackets they sent me on the passenger side, and it fit. Looked like it would work. But I wanted to show the difference between what I bought originally and what I had to have them make. You see this end here where this sticks out, both sides in the back. The ones that will fit are actually straight all the way down. So that was the change. I'm going to just take that off there. I've already unscrewed it, put the new one on, and then attempt to put it in the car. So I guess this is a trick I learned taking the old one out. If you slide the seat back, in other words, front holes exposed first, I think it's going to make it easier to put it in through the car door. So if not, I will let you know later, but I'm not going to bother to video the putting into the 4 bolts. I don't think that's going to be much of an issue. So the seat went in fairly easy. The holes lined up pretty easy. Only one small bit of advice. My favorite tool for doing seats is the long extension. This is overkill, but it makes it easier to get above the seat bolts, but it works fine on the back. In the front, you can't get a shot at it even with the seat all the way back. So what's your friend there is your ratcheting wrench. That went under the seat and pulled it down. So I am going to put the passenger side in, and that'll be it for seats.